Financial sector reforms likely in interim budget. Plans afoot to privatize a public sector bank and a general insurer. Government also expected to give final shape to insurance amendment bill. Financial inclusion push through digital banking units. Companies like Piramal Group interested in buying public sector banks. IDBI stake sale like in the likely in the first half of 2024-25. It is told that there are almost 100 DBUs functioning all across the country. The Reserve Bank of India is vetting application made by interested bidders in IDBI Bank, where the government and life insurance corporation intend to divest their 60.72% stake. The government will also start a fresh assessment of the insurance sector, and one general insurance firm will be put on the block. In 2021, government notified General Insurance Business Amendment Act, which will allow the government to cut its stake in the state-owned general insurance to below 51%. The government is also likely to introduce in the next fiscal insurance laws bill, which proposes composite license provision, allowing insurers to undertake general and health insurance through a single entity. Thank you.